see the two letters. Now together they make this sound O, O. It sounds a little bit like when something goes wrong. So we're going to use our hand and we're going to go like this and we're going to go O, O, O. Okay, let's try one more time. Remember, just like you've done something wrong, you go O, O, O. Very good. O, O. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Oh. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Oh. A bad-tempered goat lives in a field at the side of a road. He gets very cross if any other animal comes into his field. Mona and her brother Jonah often walk past the field and talk to the goat. One windy day, Mona and Jonah are going to the park to have a picnic and sail Jonah's model boat. As they pass by, they can see the goat is very cross. He is stamping his hooves and snorting beside an oak tree, which is blowing in the wind. Up in the tree are two cheeky robins and a squirrel. The robins have been flying down and stealing oaks from the goat. The goat charges at the tree and butts the trunk as hard as he can. Crash! The tree falls on top of the goat. Oh, says Mona and Jonah. They run to get the farmer, who comes to rescue the goat.